Hello and welcome. I am Ghulam Abbas from niyazit.com. In this tutorial, I will go ahead and show you at least some text function of Microsoft Excel 2016. Although Excel has too many functions in itself, you can take a look here. Its functions are too much. Here are the functions, but I'm not going to apply all of them. I only apply some functions from the text. Now, what is text functions? Text functions are those functions which allows you to convert or to change the numbers into characters, into alphabets. So let's go ahead and start by the join function. Now, what is join function? Join function allows you to join two text by itself. So I'll go ahead and press is equal on the keyboard and press select the first name. Now at the same time I'm applying, or I'm trying to combine a name, there's first name and a space and the last name. So I'll go ahead and select the I have already selected the first name, and now I need to combine the text, sorry, the space character that is about double inverted commas. So here is inverted comma. Oops, before that you need to insert the combine function or the join function, which is shift F7, and after that press shift inverted comma, again shift inverted comma, then after that again press the shift 7, and now go ahead and select the last name. Press enter. It will combine the name, or it will join the name. Now select that one and double click down to apply that for the all others. So let's go ahead and take a look at the left function or the right functions. Let me actually make them a little bigger. So here in this portion I have a state and zip code. Here I have asked from you that please separate two characters from the left and also separate five characters from the right. So two characters should be stat and five characters should be the zip one. So in order to apply this, I'll go ahead and press is equal. Then since it's from the left side, I'll press the left function and press tab on the keyboard. Select the now go ahead and type there the text one that's here, and after that what you need is to press the comma on the keyboard, and you need is what you need is to select the number characters, how many numbers you want to the state should be separated from the left side. Since there is the state is only two characters, I'll go ahead and press 2 on the keyboard, so it should give me the answer. Again select that one and double click to send it down. So for the zip one, it's again the same, and go ahead and press is equal right, sorry, RIGHT, that is, and after that select the text and press comma. This time you need to separate five characters from the right side, and that is I'll go ahead and type 5 here, since my zip code that's 5 number 1 2 3 4 5, that's why I pressed 5, and now press enter. So again select that one, double click to send that down. So here last time we joined two names. Here we have joined two names, but now it's time for me to separate two names. Here the sales name are here, and now I have asked you that I need to separate them. So it's so simple. First I will go ahead and convert the text to number. After that I will convert the number into the first name or second name or last name or whatever there is. So let me, I should make it a little bigger. I'll go ahead and type here is equal search. Press tab on the keyboard to select that one. Now find the text. I'll go ahead and here is a space and a comma, and after that select the characters and -1. Now -1 here. I have inserted that the first name that is already 6 character. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the reason why I have added here -1, that is because whenever it comes to search, it's also counting the space one. Here is it is the function of, or this sign of space. That's why I have minus it by 1, that the first name should be listed by the 6 characters, not the 7 characters, because my name that is about 6 character, my first name, not the last name. So I have already pressed here enter. Now it's time for me to change it to the uh, change it to the name or to the text. So double click and send it down to apply this for the all functions. I don't know why it's not applying. So it's the same, but why it is not applying? So it's time to change it to the uh, first name. So it's so simple. Again, press here. Since that's my name, the first name is from left, I'll go ahead and type here the left function. Then after that, I'll go ahead and select the text, and there's a comma. I'll go ahead and press comma. There's now the text is, and the number characters they are there. And also I need to insert a new um, column. So it's my first name. Let's go ahead and select that one too. Apply that. I don't know what the heck is going on with this. Why it's not applying? So that so let's go ahead and apply for the last name. Now last name is a little bit complicated than the first name, since the last name is from the right side. So let's go ahead and type there is equal right. Then after that, what you need is to do the same. Sorry, not right. There should be search. SEAR. Now again the same characters, the same number, and this time do not press any -1 because it's from the last. So here I've selected the minus name that is about 7 characters, but unfortunately that is not. You take a look, that is AWS, there's 5 only, that's only 5 characters. So how should I fix this one? In order to fix this one, I'm going to use the len function is equal, type there len, and then press tab. Now what is the text? Go ahead and select the text, uh, then after that close that and minus that by the search, because it must not count the spaces. So press enter. Now it is 5 character. Now select it and double click to send that down. So now it's time to change it to the text. In order to change that, I'll go ahead and type here is equal right function. Then after that, select the sales name. Here now my text is the oops. So now I think, oh, so press comma. Now that's fine. Now the text there and the number characters are there. So one thing else is remaining, that I need to insert another this. I don't know what to say that in English. Now select and send it down. So I hope you have learned this lesson. If you had any question, so go ahead and ask me.